Hello, thanks for being in a new video. This time I want to tell you what I like most and least about the Motorola Edge 50 Neo after testing it, in case you want to buy it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Motorola Edge 50 Neo without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which has been 8,999 pesos. On screen you see the reference price in dollars, although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. We will use this price as a reference point to analyze this device thoroughly, but please do remember that we have the full review available for you to check out. This will just be a brief summary of the key points. Let's begin with what I like the most about it. They include as a gift an entry-level case, which offers very good benefits, especially when you consider that other manufacturers do not even include the charger. The design is impressive as it is compact, lightweight, and also has IP protection against water and dust, making it a device that could stand out at the level of durability. The 6.36-inch OLED display is excellent, offering high resolution, vivid colors, strong contrast, and good brightness. The sound quality is also impressive, with Dolby Atmos options to customize it. The cameras provide good performance, particularly the 32-megapixel front camera, delivering detailed images and performing well in various lighting conditions. And we also find at the hardware level a very good configuration of rear cameras with ultra-wide main camera and telephoto with optical zoom 3x, which in the price range is very unusual. At the software level, it comes with Android 14 and Hello UI with 5 years of updates. Motorola has improved this recently, so it is a device that is expected to have a good lifetime. Included in the box is a 68-watt charger that will take the device from 0 to 100 in 46 minutes, so you'll probably only have to plug it in for about 30 or 35 minutes. The Dimensity 7300 MediaTek processor I think is a positive for a good number of users, although it's not the most powerful in the range, but it's okay. Finally, it should be noted that it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and also an SIM, a feature that is not so common in the price range and that would give you more comfort at the time to travel. Now, let me share what I didn't like. The screen protection is Gorilla Glass 3, which doesn't feel very modern. It seems a bit outdated, typically found in lower-end devices. While testing the microphones, I noticed that the device prioritizes noise cancellation. Unfortunately, you can't turn this feature off, which means in extremely noisy environments, the audio might end up sounding quite distorted. The front camera sometimes presents colors that appear more saturated than preferred, while the rear cameras might show inconsistent color tones across the three cameras. Now, regarding the cameras, what I found least appealing was the video recording. The photo quality is noticeably superior compared to the video recording quality. There are also a few aspects that could benefit from an update, such as the super stable mode, which currently seems ineffective. Well, it seems like the focus is a bit slow, and in portrait mode it doesn't consistently keep the subjects in focus. So even though the camera hardware is quite good, it appears that the software still requires some improvement. The battery has a capacity of 4,310 milliamp hours, which isn't particularly large. Therefore, you might find yourself needing to charge the phone frequently. However, despite that, it's still one of the top competitors in its segment overall. If you already bought it, let me know in the comments and let me know what your experience was like. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you can let me know, and we'll see you next time.